all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities. So definitely the video is going to be very helpful for you. But before proceeding further, here's an humble request from my side that do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed till now. The channel is going to be very helpful for you. Also, as if the members will be increasing, it will be motivating me further to make more such content for you that will be helpful for you. So make sure to subscribe the channel. Also be a part of our Telegram community. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Well, as you can see, the first opportunity that we are having is from HackerRank. So let's explore further about this opportunity, the batch they're going to hire, and all the important information. So mostly I get the doubts from the students, ma'am, is there any company that is going to hire us on the basis of our skills but not on the basis of our marks? Because there are many students who are having less marks in their graduation or maybe in 10th and 12th, due to which they are not eligible for multiple hiring. So let me tell you, an amazing platform by Unacademy, that is free level by Unacademy, which is going to hire you on the basis of your skills, not on the marks. And they have partnered with amazing companies, as you can see right now, that is Pure.fit, 1mg, Grow, Upgrade, many multiple product based as well as multiple startups are here that are going to hire you on the basis of your skill set. So let's talk about this further. So here you can see they are going to provide the test on business development, front-end development, as well as back-end development. So let's suppose I'm interested in back-end development. You have to click on this. Here they have given you all the complete idea about all the rounds that you have to go through. Fine. So here you'll be further clicking on get hired, and then you have to book your slot, that whichever day is comfortable for you to give the test. Now here, let's suppose I'm interested in October 16, select test date, and let's proceed further. The most amazing thing about this platform is that it's not just for freshers. So if you're a fresher or even an experienced person, you are someone from 18 years to 40 years, you all can apply here because the companies are going to hire you on the basis of your skills. So someone who is fresher looking for the opportunity, or someone who is experienced and want to switch the job, want to get a good package, then obviously this platform is for you also, right? Also, this is the Twitter handle by Reliable Achievers, where they used to put the information about the students who got placed by their platform. As you can see right now here, like so many students has been placed through this platform in their dream company. So what are you waiting for? Do register now. The link is given in the description itself. Do register, give the test, and get placed in your dream company. Happy learning, guys. So here, as you can see, the HackerRank is hiring for the role of software engineer intern for 6 months. Right here, you can see they have specifically mentioned that this is a 6-month full-time internship for January to June 2022. So please apply only if you're available full-time for the entire duration. If you're happily obsessed with writing great code that will be used by other great engineers around the world, read on. This just may be the perfect role for you. HackerRank is looking for high potential hacker interns to join our team of world-class full-time hackers. So life as an intern at HackerRank, 13 points they have mentioned. Right? So obviously this is going to be amazing for you. This journey with HackerRank is going to be amazing. So you can go through these points to have a further understanding. Let's come to here. So steps to apply for internship is going to be what? So this is the page that you have to visit through, and here you have to solve all the 3 challenges in that page. There is no limit to solve these challenges. These challenges are not your standard DSA questions but simple coding questions. All we want to check is whether you can translate from English to C, C++, Python, or Java. This round is not intended to understand your dynamic programming or BFS, DFS skills, but we need to ensure that you can code simple programming challenges before we consider you for the next round. So next step is that you have to create a resume. So go to hackerrankresume.com, create a resume. There only the resume created at Hacker Resume will be considered. So this is important that this resume is only going to be considered for the internship. Now, why do they ask for this resume in this format? Because your resume is actually reviewed by Harry, the CTO of HackerRank. He accepts of having well-designed resume bias. Everyone, including Harry, likes a good resume, but in an ideal world, only your work skill in the resume should matter. So just go through some points they have provided. So you have to, next what you have to do is you have to upload your resume, come back to this page. You have to scroll down and apply to the job below only with your hacker resume. Again and again, they are focusing on that point. So is it only for 6 months? Yes, it is a 6-month full-time internship. It is a paid internship. It is a remote full-time internship. Also, if you're in your second year of college, definitely. So what they have mentioned, that can I apply or is it only for the final year students? So they have mentioned anyone with the skill set mentioned above can apply. So there is no restriction. If you're from even from first year, then also you can be applied, that be it a first year student or already graduated. So maybe if you have graduated even, then you can also apply. The only thing needed is the proper skill set. So if you're from 19 batch, 80 batch, 20 batch, 21 batch, 22 batch, 23 batch, 24 batch, like anyone from first year up to the students who has been graduated, they all can apply. So they are looking at someone with the right skill set and passion. So here's the simple form given that you have to fill, providing your first name, last name, email, phone, location, resume. Make sure it is the hacker resume that they have mentioned, and certain other things like is your LinkedIn profile. If you have any website of yours, you can mention that. So this is an amazing opportunity from. Here's our next opportunity from Yellow.ai. So you can see internship application at Affinity Team Yellow.ai. So this is an application form to apply for full-time internship position. So again, this is going to be an internship at Yellow.ai. High velocity team Gaurav Gupta. This is just an application and your position will be confirmed upon application review. And there are 5 just openings and it will be closed on FIFO basis. So here you can see, are you available for full-time internship? That is 8 hours you have to contribute. You have to provide your name, email address, phone number. Are you willing to join immediately? You have to provide for this and provide link of your resume. Right. So this is one opportunity from Yellow.ai. Let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from Graviton Research. So Graviton Research is hiring for the role of software engineer for the graduate of 2022. So this is a kind of description given regarding the company, that it is the privately funded quantitative trading firm striving for excellence in financial markets research. Requirements they have mentioned, the ideal requirements for our candidate are a degree in computer science, skilled with C++ and object-oriented programming, good knowledge of algorithm and data structure, excellent problem solving skills. Although they have mentioned top IIT, but if you are having the proper skill set, feel free to apply. No one is going to stop you if you have the skills that they have asked for, no matter if you're from IIT or not. So excellent problem solving skills, strong communication skills, knowledge of Linux system. Now what will be the benefit for this? So they are going to offer you competitive compensation, 6 weeks of paid vacation monthly, after work parties, catered breakfast and lunch, fully stocked kitchen, international team outing. So multiple things they are going to offer you. This is going to be an amazing opportunity if you got selected. Now here this is simple form given where you have to write your first name, last name, email, phone, location, name of your college, CGPA, and your J rank and department, branch, etc. that you all have to provide, and you have to simply apply. Right? If you are having any eligible candidate who has all the skill set that they have asked for, feel free to share this video to him so that they can be benefited by this opportunity and maybe they can get placement as well. So this will be amazing, right? Let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from Baker Hughes. So early career program, supply chain 2022 India. Pune, Maharashtra, as you can see. So would you like to build up a supply chain foundation? Do you want to accelerate your career? So certain points are given here. Take your career to the next level. So our early careers program produces leaders capable of meeting challenges facing supply chain and health, safety and environment. This is going to be a 2-year program consisting of 3 rotational assignments in supply chain roles combined with formal classroom training. You will also undertake a cross-functional mission-based project allowing you to build leadership and functional skills. As part of our early careers programs, you will be responsible for working on 3 diverse assignments in manufacturing, sourcing, and materials management, logistics, quality and process improvement, HSE, and services operations. Participating in structured career development, receiving coaching and mentoring, and on-the-job learning to create opportunities for career acceleration, attending a significant supply chain training curriculum, including certification in Lean Six Sigma, APEX, and supply chain processes, networking globally and cross-functionally, leading program initiatives or projects with peers, and interacting with global business leaders, solving critical business challenges through cross-functional mission-based teams. Fuel your passion. To be successful in this role, what you need is have a bachelor's degree in engineering, manufacturing, supply chain or equivalent from an accredited university, have a maximum 3 years experience post your bachelor's degree, have a cumulative GPA greater than or equal to 3.0 or 4.0 or equivalent, be fluent in English, be geographically mobile, be legally entitled to work within the country in which you are applying without company sponsorship, demonstrate experience and a passion for supply chain operations. Location will be Pune, right? So this program is for whom? So this program is going to be for 2023 and 2022 and 2023 batch, right? So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful, and if it is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe this channel, turn on the bell icon as well. Also check the link in the description for D-level, and do register now to get placed in your dream company on the basis of your skill set, so that there is no hurdle of marks and etc. thing to stop you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Share the video among your friends as well who are eligible for these opportunities. Definitely the video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.